Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about milia. Maybe you're not aware of it, but those tiny white bumps you've been ignoring are multiplying every single day. While you're slathering on expensive creams, you're actually feeding the problem. Stop everything you're doing. You're making it worse. Today, I'm revealing the shocking kitchen ingredient that dissolves these stubborn bumps naturally, without extractions, without chemicals, without spending another dime on useless treatments. Those tiny white bumps under your eyes that make you look older than your grandmother's china collection? The ones you've been picking at for months, maybe even years, thinking they'll just disappear on their own? Listen, I need to be brutally honest with you right now. While you've been ignoring those stubborn little white dots, convincing yourself they're just part of aging, you've been making some serious skincare mistakes that are making everything worse. I see it every single day. People over 35 who come to me absolutely desperate because these white bumps have taken over their face. They've tried everything from expensive eye creams to dangerous DIY extractions they found on social media. And you know what? Most of them made their skin condition 10 times worse. Just last month, I had a client, let's call her Sarah, who spent over $800 on luxury skincare products thinking her milia would magically disappear. She even went to 3 different beauty salons where they attempted to extract them with dirty tools. The result? Scarring infections, and even more milia than when she started. Here's what nobody wants to tell you about those innocent-looking white bumps. They're not going anywhere without the right approach. And every day you wait, every day you use the wrong products, every day you follow bad skincare advice, you're making them multiply. Today, I'm going to expose the 5 deadly mistakes that are keeping your milia stuck on your face forever, and reveal the simple, natural solution that actually works. Before we dive into why you've been failing to get rid of these bumps, you need to understand exactly what you're dealing with. Because I guarantee you, whatever you think milia is, you're probably wrong. Milia aren't pimples. They're not whiteheads. They're not clogged pores. And they're definitely not something you can just squeeze out in front of your bathroom mirror at 2 a.m. These stubborn white bumps are actually tiny cysts filled with keratin. That's the same protein that makes up your hair and nails. Picture this. Imagine tiny balloons under your skin, filled with dead skin cells that have gotten trapped and hardened. These little keratin balls are sitting there, completely walled off from the surface, laughing at every expensive cream you slather on top of them. Here's the part that's going to shock you. Most people have been living with milia for years without even knowing what they are. I had one client, Maria, who told me she'd been calling them stubborn pimples for over a decade. She'd been using harsh acne treatments, picking at them with tweezers, even trying to burn them off with tea tree oil. The horror stories I hear would make your skin crawl. The worst part? Milia can appear anywhere on your face, around your eyes, on your cheeks, your forehead, even on your nose. And unlike regular breakouts that come and go, these little white devils are permanent residents unless you take the right action. But here's what's really going to make you angry. The skincare industry has been lying to you about what causes them. Are you sitting down? Because what I'm about to tell you is going to completely destroy everything you thought you knew about skincare. The #1 cause of milia isn't genetics. It's not bad luck. It's not even aging. Despite what every skincare company wants you to believe so they can sell you more anti-aging products. The truth, you are causing your own milia. And before you get defensive, hear me out. Every single day, you're making choices that are trapping dead skin cells under your skin's surface. That thick, heavy moisturizer you think is nourishing your mature skin. It's actually creating an occlusive barrier that's suffocating your skin cells and preventing natural exfoliation. That expensive eye cream you've been religiously applying twice a day. It contains petroleum-based ingredients or heavy oils. You're literally feeding your milia problem. I had a client named Rebecca who came to me absolutely distraught. She'd been using a $200 eye cream for 2 years, wondering why her milia kept getting worse. When I analyzed her routine, I discovered she was applying 7 different oil-based products to her face every night. 7. She was essentially creating a plastic wrap effect over her skin. But here's the part that's going to make you furious. Sun damage plays a huge role too. All those years of skipping sunscreen, thinking a little tan would hide your skin imperfections. You were actually creating the perfect environment for Melia to thrive. And stress. That cortisol hormone that floods your system when you're overwhelmed is telling your skin to produce more oil, creating more opportunities for keratin to get trapped. The most heartbreaking part. Most people are doing all of these things wrong every single day and wondering why their skin keeps getting worse. Now let's talk about why everything you've tried so far has been a complete waste of your time and money. The skincare industry has convinced you that the answer to Melia is either expensive professional extractions or harsh chemical treatments. They want you to believe that only a dermatologist with a sharp blade can save your skin. But here's what they're not telling you. These aggressive approaches often create more problems than they solve. Professional extraction might remove the visible Melia, but it does absolutely nothing to address the root cause. It's like mowing weeds instead of pulling them out by the roots. Sure, your lawn looks better for a few weeks, but those weeds come back stronger than ever. I've seen clients who spent thousands of dollars on laser treatments, chemical peels, and professional extractions, only to have their Melia return within months. One client, Jennifer, told me she'd been getting quarterly extractions for 5 years. 5 years. She was essentially paying her dermatologist's mortgage while her skin stayed problematic. But here's the real kicker. These aggressive treatments can actually trigger more Melia formation. When you damage the skin through harsh extractions or deep chemical peels, the healing process can trap even more keratin underneath the surface. It's a vicious cycle that keeps you coming back for more treatments. And don't even get me started on those DIY extraction videos you've been watching on social media. Using non-sterile tools, applying excessive pressure, creating micro tears in your delicate eye area. You're basically turning your face into a petri dish for bacteria and scarring. The reason these traditional approaches fail is simple. They're treating the symptom, not the cause. They're focused on removing what's already there instead of preventing new Melia from forming and helping your skin naturally release the existing ones. What you need is a completely different approach. One that works with your skin's natural healing process, not against it. After years of research and observing hundreds of clients struggling with Melia, I've discovered a natural approach that doesn't just remove existing Melia. It prevents new ones from forming and transforms your entire skin texture. This isn't some trendy ingredient that will be forgotten next year. This isn't an expensive treatment that requires monthly appointments. This is a time-tested, scientifically backed method that costs less than your monthly coffee budget. The secret lies in gentle, consistent exfoliation combined with specific natural ingredients that can actually dissolve keratin buildup without damaging your skin barrier. Let me tell you about Anna, a 42-year-old teacher who came to me with Melia covering both eye areas and her cheeks. She'd tried everything: expensive retinoids, professional extractions, even considered laser treatments. Within 6 weeks of following this natural protocol, her Melia began releasing on their own. By month 3, her skin was completely clear and she looked 10 years younger. The foundation of this approach is understanding that your skin needs help with cellular turnover, but in the gentlest way possible. We're going to use natural acids that occur in common kitchen ingredients. Things like lactic acid from certain fermented foods, natural enzymes from fruits, and mineral-rich clays that can draw out impurities without stripping your skin. But here's the crucial part that everyone gets wrong. Timing and application method are everything. Most people apply these ingredients too frequently or in the wrong combinations, which actually makes Melia worse. The protocol I'm about to share involves 3 key phases. First, we prepare your skin by opening the pathways for natural exfoliation. Second, we apply specific natural ingredients in a precise sequence that allows them to work synergistically. Third, we seal and protect your skin to prevent new milia formation. This isn't just about clearing existing milia. This is about completely transforming how your skin behaves. Clients tell me their entire face looks brighter, smoother, and more youthful after following this protocol. The best part? You'll probably have most of these ingredients in your home right now. Here's the exact protocol that has helped hundreds of my clients achieve clear, milio-free skin naturally. But listen carefully. Precision matters here. Following these steps exactly as outlined is the difference between success and failure. Phase 1. Skin preparation. Start with completely clean skin, and I mean really clean. Most people think splashing water on their face counts as cleansing. It doesn't. You need to remove every trace of makeup, sunscreen, and daily pollutants before beginning. Next comes steam preparation. This is non-negotiable. You need to open those pathways in your skin to allow the treatment to penetrate effectively. Use either a facial steamer or a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head for 5 to 7 minutes. Your pores need to be receptive to what's coming next. Phase 2. The treatment application. Here's where most people mess everything up. You'll need natural clay, specifically bentonite or activated charcoal mixed with raw honey. But not just any honey, it must be raw, unprocessed honey with active enzymes. Mix 1 teaspoon of clay with half a teaspoon of honey until you have a smooth paste. Apply this mixture specifically to areas with milia, avoiding the immediate eye area. Leave for exactly 10 minutes. Not longer, not shorter. While that's working, prepare the second treatment. Cinnamon powder mixed with raw honey. This creates a natural exfoliating compound that helps dissolve keratin buildup. But here's the critical warning. Cinnamon is powerful. Start with just a pinch mixed with honey to create a paste consistency. Remove the clay mask gently with lukewarm water, then apply tiny amounts of the cinnamon mixture directly onto individual milia bumps using a clean cotton swab. Leave for 1 minute only. I cannot stress this enough. Longer application can cause irritation or burning. Phase 3. Healing and protection. Immediately rinse with cool water and apply pure aloe vera gel to soothe the skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe are crucial for preventing irritation, while allowing the treatment to work. Follow with a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Avoid anything with petroleum, mineral oil, or heavy plant oils. Perform this protocol twice weekly maximum. More frequent application will overwhelm your skin and potentially cause more problems. Most clients see initial improvements within 2 to 3 weeks, with significant clearing by 6 to 8 weeks of consistent application. Now that you know how to eliminate existing milia naturally, let's talk about keeping them gone forever. The key to long-term success is understanding that milia prevention is a lifestyle, not just a treatment. You need to make permanent changes to how you approach skincare, sun protection, and product selection. First, sunscreen becomes non-negotiable. Choose lightweight mineral-based formulas that won't clog your skin. Heavy chemical sunscreens can actually contribute to milia formation. Second, revolutionize your moisturizing approach. Ditch those heavy oil-based creams that the beauty industry has convinced you mature skin needs. Your skin requires hydration, not suffocation. Third, incorporate gentle exfoliation into your weekly routine using natural methods like enzyme masks or mild acid treatments from kitchen ingredients. I want to share one final success story that will inspire you. Margaret, a 68-year-old grandmother, had lived with milia for over 15 years. She'd accepted them as part of aging until she found this natural approach. Today, at 70, her skin is clearer than it was in her 40s. She tells everyone that following this protocol didn't just clear her milia. It gave her confidence to stop wearing heavy makeup and embrace her natural beauty. The choice is yours. You can continue spending money on treatments that don't work, accepting milia as inevitable, or you can take control with this proven natural solution. If this video has opened your eyes to the truth about Amelia and given you hope for clearer skin, show your support by hitting that like button. Your engagement helps me reach more people who are struggling with the same skin challenges you've been facing. Subscribe to this channel for more honest, science-proven skincare solutions that actually work. I'm here to cut through the industry lies and give you real results. Your journey to Amelia-free skin starts today. The question is, are you ready to commit to the process? Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.